Okay.
Did you see our really terrible one when we were down in Iowa? When it froze on my face looking
Okay,
kind
we're
of...
going.
Oh, I love that one.
Hey, good morning.
That overhead light looks really
Right.
Is there a switch?
Yep.
On this side? Just.
That maybe that. Ah.
Strange lighting.
Oh, you know what? It's probably the window, but that's all right. Hey, good morning. It's Donna. Hi, and Rhonda. We're at our staff meeting this morning, and we thought it would be a great time to just go around and let everybody say hi and give a quick tip, something that they put in place in their own home. So, Rhonda, can we just jump in with you?
Sure. So my tip is for my purse. So in my purse I kind of have different zones. So I actually group things into small bags. So you can get really cheap ones at the dollar store. But I have kind of an office zone and a personal care zone and my wallet. And so I just kind of keep my purse organized so that I can just pull out the whole zone at once.
Okay. Yeah.
So I use friction pens. These are erasable pens. And for my family, each person in my family has their very own color. So we can put stuff up on the calendar and easily and quickly see who has something to do on that day of the week.
Perfect.
My name's Marie, and coming from a large family, we have a lot of games in our house. So we actually take a cloth, fabric cloth hanger that you can find at any store really, and it hangs up in the closet, and we insert our games in the little cubbies.
Is that the one with the Velcro? Like that you put around the bar?
Yeah.
Yes, okay.
Yeah, and it works
I
really
like
well.
those too.
So.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Katie, and one of my big tips and also pet peeves is hangers, and I really prefer to use the hangers that are a bit thinner and have a bit of texture on them, and that way things stay on better as well, and they're not falling off, and they shape the clothes better as well. But you can fit a lot more using a thinner hanger rather than those thicker plastic ones, and it's just something that I've been doing for years, and I find it very, very helpful.
Perfect. Yeah, thanks, Katie.
Hi, my name's Terry. One of the things that I use in my home is I find that the kitchen counter or the space beside the door where we come in or the table in the hall closet can constantly just be the dumping ground for all kinds of things that we accumulate during the day. So my tip is at the end of every day, generally it's probably just a few minutes after dinner, is I go just through those zones quickly and everything gets to its home where it's to be. Not that there isn't a home for something on the kitchen counter, but just that every day, just that quick walkthrough of getting everything to its home.
And my name's Madeline. I'm not sure you can see me well, but I have school-age children, and so one of my tips is I have a spot for each of the girls for them to put their school items, their planner, their papers, and their school books, and so they empty their school bag and put their things in here so that I could look at their planners and their papers, and they know exactly where it goes and where it comes back to.
And I'm Donna, and just mine is sort of a jump off a little bit from Terry's. Hi. In that, because everything needs a home, and I do tend to often come in with my bags and just drop them inside the door. I do have a pretty basket just inside the door with a flip top lid that I can just set my day bag right down into it and close the lid. And hopefully the plan is that I do that every day when I come in. I apologize, the lighting has been a little bit hard here this morning. We've got really nice, beautiful sun coming in one window and the overhead light, but at least you could hear us, and we want you to know that this is Heart of the Matter, and we're jumping in this morning with our staff meeting and then heading into a great week together. So hope that you all have a great week too, and we'll see you again soon.